This is DSR922 satellite dish box. It uses a Motorola MC68331 CPU, and the protocol to access it is a BDM, and it has a BDM output on the side. And this is pin 1, so I'm going to show using the BDM NT to access it. So first let's connect to the BDM NT connector, and then plug in the USB. Now power on the box, and then we can click detect. This box needs to go slower speed, which is 3 megahertz, and the maximum BDM NT is 6 megahertz, but this box we need to use 3. And let's first read it. Actually, I have to have it read it already, so let's do a verification, which was also at read. So at the 3 megahertz clock, we can get 214 kilobytes per second read. And this data is compared okay, which means we did have a successful read. So now let's do a erase. And this will fail to verify because we already erased the data. Fail because all the target has been erased to FF. Now let's write one more time. I click the W and it will do erase first. The programming speed is about 71 kilobytes per second. Because of we are using the 3 megahertz clock. If we will go to 6 megahertz, the programming will fail. So let's verify it. Okay, let's power off the box. So we showed that BDM NT to program the DSR922. Now let's use the U-Link NT to program. First, let's check the connection. And this connection is first ground pin is pin 3. So white goes to pin 3. And blue is reset, go to pin 7. Then the BER, which is purple, go to the BER. And then the clock, green, go to clock. And then the gray goes to pin 6, which is freeze. Then the DSI go to pin 8 and DSO go to pin 10. So let's connect to the USB. And then power on the box. So let's hit detect. We can detect it. In the U-Link case, we go to the speed second tier, which is 4.5 megahertz. And let's see if we can verify the data, which is do a read as well. And the read speed is about 300 kilobytes per second, a little bit faster than the BDM NT. And let's do the erase as well. So erase, let's verify where you expect to fail because target is all FFs. All erased. Yeah, now let's write again one more time. Yeah, the programming speed is about the same as the BDM NT because the majority of the time is waiting to complete the programming. So the clock difference between 4.5 meg and 3 meg probably won't be too much of difference for the programming. So in the case of BDM NT, we programmed using 28 seconds. Let's take a look. And this 27, a little bit faster, 76. So let's do a verification. So Ulink NT can work exactly as BDM NT to program the DSR922 satellite box.